Good morning, sir.
Good morning. In yesterday's class, we had stopped till question 5.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Now we shall solve this question 5. It's again multiplication and there's addition also.
Yes, sir.
So separately you have to multiply, then add them. That's one thing. Otherwise, in each step you can continue writing. Suppose I multiply these two terms first. X to be multiplied to 2x plus y to be multiplied to 2x plus y plus x to be
X
multiplied to x minus y plus
plus
2y
2,
to be multiplied to x minus y. When x is multiplied to 2x, we get 2x square
2x square
2x square
plus
plus
xy,
plus
xy,
2xy
2xy,
plus y square
y square
correct,
plus x square
plus x square
minus xy
minus 6y
plus
plus
2xy
2y
minus
minus
2y square.
2y square.
So multiplication is done. Now we have to look for the like terms.
Like terms.
Here xy and minus xy, they are like having opposite
Cancelled.
sign. They get cancelled.
Cancelled.
Yes, sir.
2xy, they are having the
4,
same sign. They should be added up.
4x.
yes,
Four.
sir.
Then we
4xy
have y square and minus 2y square.
2y square
They are like
minus
terms.
y square
minus y square.
So when x square and x square they are added up, we get
3x
3x
square
square.
3x square.
Yes, sir.
2xy
plus
added
4xy
to 2xy is 4xy.
4xy
minus y square.
minus
This will be
y
plus
square.
y square minus 2y square. So the result is
Y
minus y square. So any other term is left out?
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
So this is the final answer. Isn't it simple?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now moving on to sixth question. Here x plus y to be multiplied to the trinomial x square minus xy plus y square. When we multiply, we get x times of x square minus xy plus y square plus y
Plus
times of
y
x
x
square minus
square
xy
minus
plus y
xy
square.
plus y.
The x cube
It becomes
cube
x cube, correct? Minus
x square y
x
minus x
square
square
y
square y
plus
plus
x
plus
y
x
square
y square
square
plus yx
plus
square
yx square minus xy square plus y
xy
cube.
square.
Yes, sir. And here all will get cancelled except x cube plus y
Yes,
cube
sir.
will remain.
Only x cube and y cube will
any
remain,
terms
sir.
will get cancelled. This will get cancelled.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
With yx square. This get cancelled with xy square. Now only thing left out is x cube plus y cube.
Plus y cube.
If you remember, in one of the identity I told you will learn in class 9th, x cube plus y cube. It is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. The same identity is given. The thing is they have given the right hand side. We are proving that it is equal to left hand side. Now, first we need to multiply these two terms. Then in continuation, we have to subtract minus 4.5x and add
Plus 12y.
12y. If I multiply 1.5x with these terms, I'll be getting 1.5 into 1.5 is 2.25.
2.25.
Yes, sir.
So
2.25 x square.
4 times of 1.5 is 6.
0.6.
So
6, sir. 6.
it is 6xy. 3 multiplied to 1.5 is 4.5.
Yes, sir. 4.5x.
Yes. Now we have to take minus 4.
Yes,
Minus
minus 4
4y
into
multiplied to
1.5
these
x
terms. Minus 4y multiplied to 1.5 is minus 6xy.
minus 6x.
Now minus 4y multiplied to plus 4y is minus 16y square.
16y square.
Y.
Minus 12y.
Y
We have to
minus
continue
4
this.
point
Minus 4
Minus
point x
4.5 x
x
plus
plus
12y.
12y.
plus 12y.
Now observe clearly.
So, x6
Plus 6xy and minus 6xy, they get cancelled.
will get cancelled.
Yes, sir. They
Plus 12y and minus 12y, they
Minus
get cancelled.
So
cancel.
plus 4.5x minus
4.5
4.5.
5x
minus 4.5x, they
4.5x
also
will be
get
cancelled.
cancelled. The
Yes,
final
sir.
result is
2.25x square
2.25x
2
square
point x square
Minus
minus
16y square.
16y square.
16y square.
Y square.
So we can further simplify by taking squares.
See, the question was to find the product. We have found the product. If the question is to factorize, this can be written as 1.5x whole square and this as 4y whole square. A square minus b square identity can be used. Since the question was to find the product, we have to end at this stage.
Okay, sir.
Now, it's easy. A to b
Sir,
multiplied to these three terms, followed by b multiplied to these terms, followed by c multiplied to these terms. When a is multiplied, we get a square
A
A
square
plus
plus
square
ab
AB
minus ac
minus AC
Minus
plus B AB
plus
plus
ab
AB
plus
plus B
AB
square
plus b
plus b
square
square
minus
minus
bc
BC
minus c
plus CA
plus
plus CB
CA
okay,
minus C
plus
square.
CB minus c
correct.
square.
Will the terms get cancelled? Any of the term?
Yes, minus AC and
Plus ac,
Plus c
plus AC, sir.
bc and minus bc, they get cancelled.
minus
Here, a square plus b square minus c square, I'll write first. A
Plus
square
2AB.
plus b square minus c square. AB added to
plus
AB is plus 2AB.
AB plus
That's
2ab.
all.
Yes, sir.
This is the answer.
yes, sir.
Now, this type of question is very, very important. You should know how to write the answer using suitable identity. We need to find the product.
The
Here
A
they
plus B
have
whole square.
given same repetition. So this can be written as x plus 3 whole square. Now you have to write, this sentence is important. This is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, where a is x and b is 3. This has to be written. This sentence is very, very important. You have to write. Therefore, x plus 3 whole square will be equal to, now in the place of a square, it will be x square. In the place of b square, it is 3 square.
3 square
In the place of
plus
2ab, it is 2 times of x multiplied
3.
to 3. So, we
X
get
square plus
x square
9
plus 9 plus
plus
6x.
6x.
This is the product. Remember, in the examination, we expect you to write this statement. This is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, where a is x and b is 3. So it means that you have used identity properly.
Yes, sir.
Here again, the same identity can be used since there is a repetition here. It is like a plus b multiplied to a plus b. These are multiplied. This is 2y plus 5 whole square. Now to write the sentence, this is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, where a is, what is a here?
2y, sir.
2y.
2y.
2y. And what is b?
5.
5.
b is 5. Therefore,
5.
2y plus 5 whole square will be equal to, it is a square plus b square plus 2 times of a into b. A square is 2y whole square,
2y.
b square is 5
Five.
square,
5
2ab,
into
2ab is
2y.
2y into 5.
5.
So
4,
this will
4y
be
square.
4y square plus 25 plus 20y.
20y.
So this is the product. Now the formula is changed, identity is changed. Here we have 2a minus 7 multiplied to 2a minus 7, which is
A minus b whole
2a
square.
minus 7 whole square.
See the form of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Since a is used here, I can take any other letter for writing the identity. I can
X.
take as
For
capital
square
letter A,
minus
capital
28
letter B whole square.
not 9 per answer.
A minus B whole square, which is A
A
square
square plus b square.
B square.
B square minus
Minus
2AB.
baby.
AB square. Yes, sir.
So it's important that the square term is positive. Here A is positive 2A and
2A.
B is positive 7. I am not writing negative 7. What is the reason?
Sir,
Because all terms are
minus into minus, sir.
Minus
No.
into minus plus, sir.
Not, sir.
That is not the reason.
Minus.
It is like
to
you have to
could be
compare term to term. It is like this. You have to compare here. A is 2A minus. You need not consider this. B is 7. In the previous case, there was positive. So we had no problem in writing. Here, if we are using a plus b whole square, then you take it as negative 7. If you are using a minus b whole square, b value should be positive 7. Understood?
yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
I have
sir.
not understood, sir.
Not understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me tell in this way. Suppose if I am using a plus b whole square, which is a square plus
square.
b square plus 2ab. If I
Yes, sir,
use
2A.
this, in this case, you just compare. It can be written as 2a plus in bracket minus 7 whole square. It is the same. Yes, we can write like this.
Yes, sir.
Now you compare. What is the a value?
2A, sir.
Very good. B value?
Minus 7, sir.
Minus 7, sir.
Minus
square.
7. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Now if I am using a minus b whole square, it is 2a minus 7 whole square. 2a is a and
7 is B.
is b. It is not minus 7, isn't it? So I have taken here plus 7.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Now we will use the identity. Therefore, 2a minus 7 whole square will be equal to
2A square.
Plus 7 square minus 2ab.
Is 2a whole square plus 7 square
7 square.
minus 2 times of
2a
and
2a
7.
this becomes
4a
4a
square.
square
4a square
Plus
plus
49
49
49.
minus 28a.
minus 28a.
38.
Yes, it's easy. Now tell me which identity to be used.
Sir, a minus b whole square
A minus b whole square.
Yes.
is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab.
Plus B square
A
minus
is
2.
equal to a is equal to 3a and b is equal to
1 by 2.
So this is in the form of a minus b whole square. Here, since here capital A should be used because one of
A
the
is
term
already
is having A. Or you can use any other letter, for instance, you can use p minus q whole square, which is p square plus q square minus 2pq, where p value is
3A.
3a and q value is
By
half.
2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Therefore, 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square will be 3a whole square plus 1 by 2 whole
1 by
square
2
minus
minus 2 into 3a into 1 by 2.
So I missed here 2 times of 3a into
1 by 2.
This 2 and 2 they get cancelled, and the result is 9a square
9a
plus
square
1 by 4 minus 3a.
3A.
Sir, variables are always used in small letter.
Which one?
The variables.
It depends on what is given in the question. In the question they have given small letter 3a, so I have used small letter 3a only. Here you can use capital letter P, capital letter Q, because in the previous question you observe we have used capital A, capital B.
Yes, sir.
Identity
Yes,
you
sir.
can change any symbol. You may not be aware of this symbol. This symbol.
Sir, is this sentence is
What is this
compulsory to
symbol?
write?
Infinity.
Direct proportion, sir.
This symbol is called as alpha. This symbol is called as beta.
And gamma.
We can use this symbol also. A alpha minus beta whole square is alpha square plus beta square minus 2 times of alpha beta. This can be used.
Yes, sir. And C as gamma, sir.
Okay, sir. Somebody was asking, should we have to write the sentences in the beginning? This is in the form of. Yes, I told this is compulsory because this type of question is asked for 3 marks, and we expect you to write this is in the form of something where P is, Q is. This should be written. Look at this. Identity is changed here.
A square minus B square, sir.
A square minus b square.
I will write here this is in the form of. Now just below this I'll just make it a minus b multiplied to a plus b,
Plus b.
which is a square
A
minus b
minus
square.
B whole square.
No sir, it is a square minus b square. It is not a minus b whole square, it is a square
Sir,
minus
we
b
should
square.
not write, sir. 2AB.
2ab should not be written, sir. This is the fourth identity. First we had learnt this x plus a into x plus b, if you remember.
Yes.
Next we have learnt a plus b whole square. Then we continued with a minus b whole square. Next one was this a square minus b
Yes,
square, which is a plus b into a minus b.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, here what is a?
1.1 m.
1.1 m. And what is b?
Minus
0.4.
0.4. When I ask the value of b, you were in confusion. Should I say minus 0.4 or plus 0.4? That was the confusion.
Yes, sir.
Don't be get confused. It is one-to-one comparison. It is like 1.1 a are compared. They are equal. 0.4 and b are equal. This minus and minus, they are equal. It's like one-to-one comparison.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. So value
Yes,
of
sir.
b is 0.4.
0.4.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Positive and 0.4, sir.
Okay, sir. Therefore, 1.1 m, sorry,
Correct.
minus 0.4 multiplied to 1.1 m plus 0.4 will be equal to
1.1 m square
1.11 whole square
whole square
minus
minus
0.4 whole
0.4
square.
square.
What is this?
1.1 is like
2.21.
121.
1.21.
Decimal should be placed after 2 digits.
2
So
place.
1.21 m square
M square
minus
is minus
0.4
0.6.
1.6.
0.16.
0.16.
0.16.
Square should not be used. Already we have squared it.
Yes, sir. Same answer
Okay.
we get, sir.
Yes. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Wait for a minute. Hello, sir. Sir. $10:30. 10:30 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಹಾ ಸರ್. ಹಾ ಸರ್. ಹಾ ಸರ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. I have to make some other video and I have to send. Third period. ಹೌದು ಸರ್. ಹಾ ಸರ್. ಹಾ ಸರ್. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Sir, here a square plus b square whole square, sir.
A square plus b square whole square. No. You just observe
Sir,
here.
x plus y.
Sir, minus a square
This
is taken as plus minus a square.
Positive, this is negative, no?
Sir, we can change, no, sir. Minus a
Fine.
is this
Plus
we can
minus a
change
square.
side, no, sir.
Plus
B
minus
square
a
minus B square.
Ajay giving idea. Can we use that?
Yes, sir. A square plus b square whole square.
Suppose if I write this as b square plus a square multiply to b square minus a square, the question doesn't change.
No, sir.
No,
When
sir.
the question is not changing, there is no problem.
Question is not changed.
Question is not changed. Now, which identity can be used? Suppose
A
if I
square plus
use p plus q multiply to p minus q. Suppose if I use this, we get it as p square
A
minus
square.
q square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will write here, this is in the form of p plus q into p minus q, which is p square minus q square, where p is b square,
A square.
and q is
A
A
square.
square.
a square. Therefore, b square plus a square multiplied to b square minus a square will be equal to, instead of p square, we have to consider a square whole square, sorry, b square whole square. Instead of q square, we have to take a square whole square. So we get b raised to the power 4 minus a raised to the power 4. This is the answer.
Sir, using a square plus b square whole square, we can also solve, no, sir.
We cannot use a square plus b square whole square because the terms are changed. Here it is positive, here it is negative. It cannot be used.
Sir, but in minus a square, we can put plus minus a square, sir. It will not change sign.
But minus will be there. You are saying that it can be written as a square plus b square into minus of a square plus b square. I do agree, but this is one term. This is one term.
Yes, sir.
So it cannot be.
You know?
Oh no, there's a problem. Anup? He disappeared. Now look at this. It's simple. A minus
sir.
b into a plus b.
Yes, sir.
A
Yes,
square minus
this
B
time you
square.
can tell the direct answer. I'm not
Yes.
writing anything. Direct answer.
36x square minus 49.
36x square minus 49.
Minus 49.
It's very simple.
Yes, sir.
It's easy to write also. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square, where a is 6x, b is 7. Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. This type of questions are slightly confusing ones.
Sir, A square plus A plus B whole square.
A plus C whole square.
How
A
many
minus
of you? How many of you say that we cannot use a plus b whole square here?
We
So
should
we
use
can use both are same, sir.
Both are
Yes.
same.
We can use sir.
Yes, we can use
Sir,
a plus
we
b
can
whole square,
use sir here.
which is a square plus b square plus
Minus A
2ab.
into minus A is equal to plus A. Oh, yeah.
Here, what is a?
Minus A.
Minus A.
Capital B.
C.
C, sir.
See.
Here, minus a should be considered because you observe here, it is minus a over here.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, minus
Minus
a
A
plus c into minus a plus c will be equal to minus a whole square
plus C square
plus c square
Square
plus
Minus
2AC
plus 2
minus AC.
minus A B. Yes sir. Minus
So
A
A plus A square
plus
plus
c
C
square.
square minus 2AC.
Correct?
Yes,
yes sir.
sir.
Are you not thinking we can use some other identity also here?
Yes, sir.
Minus B whole square.
Minus B whole square.
We can write like this: c minus a into
Yes,
c
sir.
minus a, which is c minus a whole square. Now if you use, it is c square plus a square
is
A square
minus
plus
2 times of ac.
AC.
is same
We
answer.
have used a minus b whole square.
Yes sir.
Yes,
C
sir.
into C square plus A
Hope
square
you have
minus.
understood this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Now this little confusing will be there because the
Sir,
fractions are
A
there.
plus B whole square. A
Correct,
plus B
very
whole
good.
square.
A plus
Yeah,
b whole
yes
square.
sir. Yeah, it is A plus B whole square.
Where A is equal to x by 2 and B is equal to
X
3 by
plus
2.
Y.
3 by 4.
Y is equal to X square plus Y
A
square
is
plus
x by 2.
Y.
B is
B is
3y
3y by
by 4.
3y/4.
Is 3y by 4.
Therefore, x by 2 plus 3y by 4 whole square will be equal to
x by
x
2
square
by
by
4.
4. When I
Yes, sir.
square it, it becomes x square by 4
Yes, sir.
plus
9y
9y
square
square
9y
by
square
16.
16
plus 2
2
plus 2
and
into
2 get
x by
cancelled.
2 plus
plus 6 xy by 8
by 2.
plus 6 xy by 8, sir.
Isn't it this?
Sir, you have to multiply it by 2, sir.
See, I'll just write 2ab term. It is 2 times of a is x by 2, b is 3y by 4.
yes, sir.
2 get cancelled. What remains is the product. Is this product correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's correct.
Yes sir.
Yeah, this is a minus b whole square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Since letter a as well as b both are there, it's always better that I use something else. X minus y whole square, which
Yes
is
sir.
x square
X
plus
is
y square minus
Y
2xy.
square minus 2xy.
yes.
Here x value is 7a, y value is 9b.
9.
9B.
Therefore, 7a minus 9b whole square will be equal to 49a square plus 81b square minus
63.
no, it is not 63, 126.
Yes, sir. Minus 126 AB.
Yes, sir. Expression.
Yes, when you are writing the direct answer, there will be confusion. We forget this 2. 2 should be multiplied to 7a and also 9b. 7 9s are 63. Multiplied to 2 is 126.
Yes.
Yes. So to
Yes.
avoid confusion, better not to write directly. Yes.
Okay.
This second question, they have given the identity. We have to
Yes, sir.
use this particular identity and we have to solve. This is the identity given. Here observe carefully. We have x plus a multiplied to x plus b. Compare here. What is the value of a?
X.
The 3.
3. What is the value of b?
7.
7.
7.
Yes, sir.
So in the identity we have x square plus a plus b times of x plus ab. Therefore, x plus 3 into x plus 7 will be equal to x square, it remains same, plus instead of a plus b, we have to consider 3 plus 7 into
Yes, sir.
x plus 3 into
20.
7.
3 into 7.
So
X
x
square
square
plus 21x.
X.
10x.
X.
Next.
This is
Plus 21.
10x
Yes, sir.
plus 21.
Yes.
Simple. Now confusion. The reason is in the identity we have x. In the identity it is x plus a into x plus b, which is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab.
Yes, sir.
Here x value is 4x, a value is 5, b value is 1.
1.
So if I am using the identity, instead of x, I need to take 4x.
4x.
So
Yes.
4x whole square plus 5 plus 1 into 4x plus
5 into
5
4.
into 1. This middle term is very important. You should not consider 4x added to this particular thing. This is one term.
Yes, sir.
This becomes 16x square
Plus 24x
plus 24x
plus 5.
plus 5. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll give little time. Can you just solve and tell the final expression?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Here A and B will be in minus, no, sir. So AB will be minus term and 24x it will be minus.
You solve. Just tell the final result. We will cross check it.
16x square minus 24x minus 5.
16x square
Minus 24x
minus 24x.
minus 5.
I think the answer is wrong. We will check it. We shall check it.
Plus 5, sir.
4x square, sir.
Sir, 16x square minus 24x plus 5.
Here x value is 4x. A value is minus 5. B value is minus 1. If you are using the identity 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1, this will be equal to x square. This term is 4x whole square plus a plus b is nothing but minus 5 added to minus 1 is that into 4x plus ab value is minus 5 multiplied to minus 1. Now you just observe, I have not changed anything. I am just writing this as x square plus x plus a plus b times of x plus ab. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now this becomes 16x square. So first term is correct. This becomes minus 6 multiplied to 4. So minus 24x. This is also correct. Minus 5 into minus 1 has to be
Plus 5.
plus 5.
Yes, sir. Minus positive will be committed mistake.
Yes. So confusion was there because he told the answer directly, isn't it, sir?
Yes, sir. It became a mistake.
Yes. So if you tell the answer directly, slightly you will get confused. So better solve and then tell the answer. Yes. Once again, try this. If you are telling direct answer, should be careful while a plus b is done.
Sir, 16x square
Plus 16x
minus 60 plus 16 minus 5
16x square
Plus 16.
plus 16
Plus 16x.
x
Minus-
plus 16x plus minus 5, sir.
Yes. When I got same answer, sir.
Any other answer apart from this?
I got the same 16x square plus
You got the
16x
same answer?
plus 4.
Plus
No,
4.
sir.
Huh? AB term is 5 into minus 1, which is minus 5. Wait, I am getting call. Sir? Sir. 6th standard, sir, 68. Or 6th complete. 6th. How, sir? Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, question number 5. What is x here?
2x.
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 X is 2x. X is 2x. Very good. What is a?
5y.
5y. B?
Yes.
3y, sir.
3y.
3y.
Now it becomes difficult to tell the answer directly because a plus b
2x
will not be a number. It is actually its terms.
8y.
5y added to 3y. 8y. This is a plus
8y,
b.
sir.
8y multiplied to 2x will be 16x.
16xy.
16xy.
Yes, sir. 4x square plus 16xy plus
You
15y.
solve, check your answer.
X
It
square.
has to be 4x square plus 16xy
Plus 15y.
plus 15y square.
Y square. Yes, sir. Y square.
This is the answer
Sir,
you must
yes,
get.
sir. A square plus B square plus 2AB, sir.
It is like that,
Identity.
2ab.
Sir,
No.
identity, sir.
You have used a plus b whole square identity. How
No,
to
sir.
use this identity, sir?
They
These two
must
terms
be
are same, but these are different, no? We cannot use the same identity. So this is not possible. We have to use the identity x plus a into x plus b only. We cannot use this. Again, we have to use the same identity.
Yes,
In
sir.
this case, x
Yes, sir.
value is
2a square, sir.
2a square. A value is 9.
9.
9,
B
sir.
value is 5.
5.
X square becomes 4a raised to the power 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A plus b times of x will be 28a square.
28
So this is plus 28
A square.
a square. And
Nine.
ab term is 45.
Yes, sir. Plus
You
45.
must get this answer.
Yes, sir. We got correct answer.
Yes. Now, if you are familiar, it becomes easy to write the direct answer. Now, if I want to write the direct answer, x square term is x plus, sorry, xyz whole square.
XYZ.
Yes, sir. It is x. And A term
A
is
plus
minus 4.
B is minus 6
-6.
xyz
Yes.
plus 8. This will be the answer. You can check it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. When you solve more and more problems of this kind, it becomes easy for us to write the answer directly. Calculations will go on in mind. With the intuition, you can just tell the answer. Okay. This ends the using identity type of question of one type. Another type is find the following square by using the identity. Which identity should be used here?
Sir, A
A
minus
minus
whole
B whole
square.
square.
A minus B whole square.
B
What is
square
A
plus
minus
49
B whole
minus
square?
Minus 2. A square plus B square minus 2AB.
A square
If you
plus
do
Square
B
B
square plus
square
49 minus
minus
14.
Yes, sir. A,
AB.
A minus B square is equal to A square
So
plus B
B
square.
minus 7 whole square will be
B square plus
square
49 minus
plus 40
7.
Plus
minus
49
14.
minus 14B.
40.
Samarth, understood?
Yes, sir.
Naman, understood?
Yes, sir.
Tell the answer for this.
X plus B whole square, sir.
Correct. Answer.
Is equal to X A square plus B square plus 2AB.
X
Final
square,
answer.
xy square minus 9z square plus 6xy. Xy square.
A square.
I'll write it as x square y square, which is xy whole square. Correct.
Sir, XY square plus 9Z square plus 6
6
XYZ.
xy square. Sir, it is not x square y square, sir. It is only xy square.
Yes, sir. XY square.
It is like this xy
XY
whole
whole
square.
square.
It is same as x square y square. If you write xy square, it will be wrong.
It's
The
only
square
Y.
is done to both
It is
the
only Y square.
x and y. So to avoid
Bracket?
confusion, I have just removed the bracket. I have written as x square y square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can ask doubts if you have. Did you all receive the PDF of comparing quantities?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How many
Yes, sir, we
questions are
solved
there in that?
100.
114.
40. 140.
40. The first set has got the questions which are easy, but the second set where higher order thinking skill questions are there, they are very important.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to enjoy, you start this first, then go back to the previous one. You will feel that is very easy.
Sir, like this you give more, sir.
Okay, sir. I'll give some more questions. Don't worry. You want notes for this algebraic expression?
Yes, sir.
I'll send it very soon.
Yes, sir.
Ajay 5650 is crying.
Why, sir?
He